Hello everybody. This video's featured creature is the Western Kingbird, a mostly summer resident in the United States. These birds raise families here, then spend winters in Central America and southern Mexico. Upon returning from their wintering grounds each April, they begin establishing territories for breeding and nesting. During that time, there is quite a bit of squabbling and fighting between the birds until those territories are established. After that, the birds quiet down a bit during the early part of nesting. However, their territories, which aren't very large to begin with, shrink as time passes, but the birds will vigorously defend